2026 Hymer GTS 685. The 2026 Hymer GTS 685 is a premium motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, space, and modern technology on the road. As the successor to the popular Tramp S, it is built on a strong Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and powered by a smooth 170 horsepower engine, offering a stable and enjoyable driving experience. Inside, the flat-floor design makes movement easy and safe, while the 2.04-meter interior height creates a very open and spacious feel. The cabin features a stylish Matara olive finish, giving it a modern, apartment-like atmosphere. The 685 layout also includes a separate shower and toilet, providing added privacy and convenience for long journeys. For smart control, the Hymer Connect system allows you to manage lighting and check appliances like the 136-liter fridge directly from your phone. Overall, it combines Mercedes' performance with Hymer's luxury craftsmanship for a comfortable travel experience. 2026 Wingam OAC 690G. Stepping inside the 2026 Wingam OAC 690G doesn't feel like entering a typical camper. It feels more like walking onto a compact luxury yacht on wheels. Measuring just under 23 feet, this Italian-built motorhome stands out thanks to its signature one-piece fiberglass monocoque body. With no joints or seams, it avoids common issues like leaks and rattles while also offering excellent insulation, making it comfortable in both hot summers and cold winters. Inside, the design is impressively smart and space-efficient. At the rear, there's a large heated garage that can easily fit a motorbike or a couple of e-bikes. The bathroom is another highlight, featuring a fully separated shower area for added comfort. Instead of propane, the OAC 690G runs on a powerful lithium battery system, supporting an all-electric setup that powers everything from the induction cooktop to the silent heating system. For sleeping, a clever drop-down longitudinal bed smoothly lowers over the lounge area, keeping the interior open and airy during the day. Starting at around $225,000, it's built for travelers who want premium European craftsmanship, off-grid freedom, and a sleek design that always stands out on the road. Newell P50 Coach. The Newell P50 Coach celebrates 50 years of luxury motorhome design, combining unmatched craftsmanship with modern innovation. This exceptional vehicle raises the bar for mobile luxury, blending advanced technology, top-tier performance, and stunning design. Built on Newell's proprietary chassis, the P50 delivers outstanding stability and smooth handling, making every journey comfortable and effortless. Its exterior has a clean, modern look, while the interior showcases premium materials and carefully crafted details. The spacious open layout includes a cozy living area with plush seating, a high-end entertainment setup, and large windows that fill the space with natural light and beautiful views. The gourmet kitchen features top-quality appliances, plenty of counter space, and elegant cabinetry, perfect for cooking on the road. The master bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with a king-size bed, luxury bedding, and ample storage, paired with a spa-inspired bathroom that includes a large shower and upscale fixtures. The Newell P50 also includes smart home features, advanced climate control, and a strong power system for a smooth, connected, and worry-free travel experience. Millennium H345 S4. The Millennium H345 S4 is a luxury motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, performance, and premium craftsmanship in one package. Every detail inside the coach is carefully designed, featuring elegant two-tone high-gloss cabinetry and a spacious J lounge that creates a relaxing atmosphere for long journeys. Advanced technology adds convenience with the Savon control system and Lutron home automation, allowing users to control lighting, entertainment, and other features with ease. Safety is improved with a 360-degree bird's-eye camera system that provides better visibility while driving. The interior also includes heated porcelain tiles with a realistic wood-style finish, giving the space a warm and sophisticated look. On the exterior, custom paintwork adds a unique and stylish appearance that stands out on the road. Power comes from a reliable Volvo D13 diesel engine, delivering strong performance, smooth handling, and efficient travel for an exceptional luxury motorhome experience every mile. SLRV Commander 8x8. The SLRV Commander 8x8 is a custom-built luxury off-road recreational vehicle designed and manufactured by SLRV Expedition Vehicles. It is built for people who want both extreme off-road capability and high-end comfort in a single package. This particular version is referred to as a two-story layout, meaning it features a multi-level interior design that maximizes living space inside the vehicle. Despite being a heavy-duty 8x8 expedition rig, it is designed to feel more like a luxury mobile home than a traditional RV. Inside, the Commander 8x8 can be equipped with premium features depending on the owner's preferences. These may include a fully fitted modern kitchen with appliances, comfortable sleeping areas, a bathroom with a shower, and a dedicated dining space. It also often comes with advanced entertainment systems and climate control to ensure comfort in all weather conditions. Overall, the SLRV Commander 8x8 two-story combines rugged expedition performance with luxury living, making it suitable for long-range travel in the most challenging environments without sacrificing comfort. Winnebago Forza. The Winnebago Forza is a Class A diesel motorhome built for couples and families who want the true comfort and convenience of RV living. It's more affordable than most diesel pusher motorhomes, making it a perfect upgrade for anyone moving on from a gas-powered RV. Inside, it offers cozy sleeping and seating for everyone, and some floor plans even include bunk beds for extra guests or kids. On the outside, you'll find useful features like an outdoor entertainment system and plenty of storage space for all your gear and travel essentials. The interior feels both modern and comfortable, with luxury plank flooring, rich wooden cabinetry, and smart storage throughout. It also includes a full kitchen for cooking on the road, an extra-large bathroom, a relaxing lounge area, and everything you need to feel at home while traveling in style and comfort. 2026 Coach Dream 42Q. Step into a new level of luxury travel with the 2026 American Coach Dream 42Q. This is far more than a motorhome. It feels like a luxury home built on wheels. It rides on the renowned Liberty Bridge chassis, delivering an exceptionally smooth driving experience. Under the hood, a powerful 450 horsepower Cummins engine handles steep mountain roads with ease, making every journey feel effortless. Inside, the experience becomes even more impressive. You're welcomed by heated porcelain floors, a tall 7-foot ceiling, and an open layout that creates a true sense of space and comfort. The 42Q is designed with both style and practicality in mind, offering a bath and a half layout along with a high-end gourmet kitchen featuring a Fisher & Paykel induction cooktop. For 2026, the technology has been upgraded as well, including a large 20-inch integrated dash display and built-in Starlink connectivity, keeping you connected wherever you go. With an articulating king bed and expanded basement storage that's 25% larger, every detail is made for comfort, convenience, and long-distance adventure. Tailor-made tour truck. The tailor-made tour truck isn't just a vehicle. It's a mobile fortress and a fully equipped, high-tech workshop on wheels, built to deliver world-class performance for professional golfers. Inspired by the power and prestige of Formula One rigs, this massive double-decker truck is packed with advanced fitting stations, loft machines, and precision shaft cutters, allowing players to customize their clubs so perfectly they feel like a natural extension of their own bodies. Stretching an impressive 42 feet in length, featuring 450 square feet of tinted glass, and weighing around 22 tons, this truck is a moving symbol of innovation. Inside, everything is organized with purpose, including around 1,500 shafts, 1,200 TP5 and TP5X golf balls, and 1,000 grips ready for use at any moment. Getting fitted inside this VIP truck at major events typically costs between $947 and $50,000, with part of that amount applied toward club purchases, reflecting its elite status and unmatched capability in the world of professional golf. Newmar London Air. The 2024 Newmar London Air is a luxury Class A diesel motorhome built for travelers who want comfort, power, and elegance wherever the road leads. It comes with fresh interior decor, a refined exterior design, and modern technology that makes every journey feel effortless. Inside, the London Air features a beautifully designed living space with high-quality finishes and premium amenities that match other top-tier motorhomes. Advanced technology plays a big role, including voice-activated controls, touchscreen panels, and automated systems that handle lighting, climate, and more with ease. The kitchen feels like home, equipped with upscale appliances such as convection ovens, dishwashers, and full-size residential refrigerators. Bathrooms are spa-inspired, often offering walk-in tiled showers, heated floors, and elegant fixtures. For entertainment, large TVs, surround sound, and home theater systems create the perfect indoor escape. With a powerful engine and a spacious, rolling luxury home design, the London Air is ideal for stylish travelers, though its large size means careful handling is needed on tight roads or narrow spaces. Volvo FH540. The Volvo FH540 STX is built to deliver the highest standards of safety, comfort, and premium quality, making it a powerful and reliable high-performance horse truck. Powered by a strong 540 horsepower engine, it can comfortably transport between 4 and 9 horses with a total weight capacity of up to 26 tons. Built on the trusted Volvo FH chassis, the truck features a smart layout with one push-up section, 2 pop-outs, and a side ramp for easy access. The horse area is designed with care, offering rubber flooring, skylights, cooling fans, a surveillance camera, adjustable partitions, and a temperature monitoring system to ensure animal comfort at all times. Inside the living space, luxury takes center stage with leather seating, satellite TV, a premium sound system, and split air conditioning. The kitchen includes a refrigerator, ceramic cooktop, and microwave, while the bathroom is equipped with a toilet and sink for complete convenience. Severn Lamb. Blending advanced technology with classic charm, the Severn Lamb double-deck trolley is a true example of modern engineering done right. It's the kind of transport any city, mall, or tourist spot would proudly showcase because it perfectly represents authenticity and craftsmanship. Each trolley is carefully handcrafted, combining strong brass and polished wood with modern touches like LED exterior lighting. The result is a beautiful balance of vintage style and contemporary design. But it's not just about looks, this trolley is built to last. Its dependable electric system ensures long-term durability and easy maintenance, making it a practical choice for busy locations. Designed for high-capacity travel, It comfortably carries between 50 and 70 passengers, making it ideal for group movement in crowded areas. Safety and comfort take priority in its engineering, and with a top speed of 16 miles per hour, it offers a smooth, steady ride for everyone on board. Monaco Coach. The 2015 Monaco Dynasty is a masterpiece of luxury travel, offering unmatched comfort and elegance on the road. Built on a custom Roadmaster chassis, it delivers a smooth, powerful ride with precise handling that makes every journey effortless. Inside, it feels like a high-end home, featuring polished porcelain tile floors, rich wood cabinetry, and premium furnishings. The spacious interior includes a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances and a bathroom designed like a personal spa, ensuring relaxation wherever you go. Advanced technology and entertainment options are seamlessly integrated for a modern, connected experience. The 2015 Monaco Dynasty isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of style and sophistication, crafted for those who want to travel with comfort, class, and confidence. Azimowo Expedition 4x4. The Azimowo Expedition 4x4 is a true powerhouse, built to handle the toughest terrains while keeping you comfortable and fully self-sufficient on your adventures. Created by Azimowo, this is not an ordinary RV. It's a rugged expedition truck designed to take you deep into remote landscapes that most vehicles could never reach. It comes equipped with solar panels, an alternator, and a power generator, giving you reliable electricity no matter how far off the grid you travel. Large fresh and gray water tanks ensure you have enough supply for drinking, cooking, showering, and cleaning. Despite its tough, bold exterior, the interior is surprisingly cozy and practical. Depending on the model, you can enjoy a comfortable bed, a dining area, a compact kitchenette, and even a fully functional bathroom. The Azimowo Expedition 4x4 is perfect for adventure lovers who want the freedom to explore untouched destinations while enjoying the comforts of home, surrounded by the raw beauty of nature wherever the road, or the trail, takes them. Marathon Show Coach 1306. The Marathon Show Coach 1306 is a top-of-the-line Class A diesel motorhome from Marathon Coach, built for comfort, style, and plenty of living space. Whether you're traveling with family or friends, this RV is designed to make the road feel like home. With multiple slide-outs and high ceilings, the interior feels open and spacious, never cramped. Step inside and you'll notice the attention to detail right away. From the sleek stone countertops and custom cabinetry to the soft carpet and modern furniture, every corner is crafted with quality in mind. The kitchen comes fully loaded with premium appliances, including a convection oven, dishwasher, and a full-size residential refrigerator, so you can cook and enjoy meals on the go just like you would at home. Every feature speaks luxury, from the leather seating and designer finishes to the smart use of space. Two large slide-outs on the driver's side expand the living area, creating a warm and inviting spot to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the ride in comfort.